In this video, I'm going to show you if it's possible to play Roblox on GeForce Now in 2022. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. Let's open up a new tab on our preferred web browser and search for GeForce Now game list. Let's click on the first link from nvidia.com titled Games. In this page, GeForce Now tells us all the games available on the service, and we can look for Roblox within the list by scrolling down until we find R. Let's see, games that start with R. Okay, here we go. So at the list, we can see that they have Rocket League, Road Redemption, Row Company, but as you can see, there is no Roblox. Even if we scroll up and we try to look for Roblox in the game search, you can see that nothing pops up. This is because as of 2022, GeForce Now does not offer Roblox as a playable game over a cloud. The only alternative you can use is now.gg. So open up a new tab and look for now.gg Roblox. Within the first link, play Roblox online for free on PC and mobile. You can do the same thing as GeForce Experience or GeForce Now does and play Roblox on any computer over cloud. So I recommend using this website instead as an alternative. This is the best alternative as GeForce Now does not offer Roblox as a playable game. I hope I was able to help you find an alternative to how to play Roblox on GeForce Now in 2022. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.